for apple, crisp and so sweet. A is for airplane, soaring with fleet. B is for ball, bouncing with grace. B is for bus, traveling every place. C is for cat, purring with pride. Z is for car, zooming in stride. D is for dog, your pal to defend. D is for dog, a playtime friend. E is for elephant, grand and wise. E is for egg, sunrise surprise. F is for fish, darting with flair. F is for frog, leaping through air. G is for grapes, bursting with juice. G is for giraffe, towering truce. H is for house, sturdy and tall. H is for helicopter, answering a call. I is for ice cream, melting delight. I is for ice, gleaming so bright. J is for jug, holding life's flow. J is for jam, spread soft and slow. K is for king, crown gleaming gold. K is for kite, bold and uncontrolled. L is for lion, born with might. L is for lemon, tart and sunlight. M is for mango, sun-kissed treat. M is for monkey, nimble and fleet. N is for nut, crunchy to crunch. N is for necklace, jewels in a bunch. O is for orange, citrusy sphere. O is for owl, wise and austere. P is for papaya, tropical cheer. P is for peacock, color so clear. Q is for queen, regal and true. Q is for quail, quick to pursue. R is for rabbit, hop hop hop. R is for raspberry, summertime pop. S is for strawberry, juicy and red. S is for sheep, woolly in bed. T is for tiger, stripes in a song. T is for tomato, plump and strong. U is for umbrella, shield in the rain. U is for unicorn, rainbows in Maine. V is for van, cruising the scene. V is for vegetables, fresh and green. W is for watermelon, summertime bliss. W is for whale, ocean soft kiss. X is for xylophone, notes that ascend. Tap in the keys, let the song never end. Y is for yak, shaggy and gray. By my hand, looping in the ink. Z is for zebra, stripes bold and wide. Galloping free with the savannah's pride. Now our ABC rhymes complete with joy inside.